Welcome. This project is all about streamlining student profile management. Our web application begins with a registration and login page. To ensure security, we offer various roles for sign up, including faculty, HOD, student, parent, and admin. Our robust password functionality requires at least one uppercase letter, one special character, and a minimum length of 8 characters. Upon successful registration, users will receive a confirmation message registered successfully. Once logged in as an administrator, you'll find a user-friendly dashboard with a flexible sidebar making navigation seamless. Let's explore the key components. Add student details. This component allows you to upload student information efficiently. Simply upload an Excel sheet containing all details such as student name, father's name, roll number, batch, branch, mobile number, parent number, email, date of birth, address, and gender. The sheet looks something like this. View student details. Here you have two viewing options. Clicking all student profiles displays a comprehensive list of all students from all batches currently stored in the system. You can also filter by batch and even archive specific batches. For individual student profiles, click on the single student profile and enter the student's roll number to retrieve their details. Add student marks. This component simplifies the process of uploading the student grades. Simply upload an Excel sheet containing the roll number, batch, branch, semester grades for each subject, and their GPA. The Excel sheet looks like this, and this is the format. The next component is View Academics Profile. To view a student's academic record, enter their roll number and click on Search. The system will display the student's name, roll number, branch, along with their semester-wise course grades and GPA details. Co-curricular activities. In this component, upload an Excel sheet containing co-curricular activity details and click on Submit. You can view all the student details, activity records by clicking the All Student Activity button with the option to filter by batch. For individual student activity details, click on the single student activity, enter the roll number, and then click Search. The student's roll number, name, batch, and then the activity details will be displayed below. Extracurricular activities. This component functions identically to the co-curricular activities component, allowing you to manage and view the extracurricular records efficiently. The last component in the admin dashboard is student profile. Finally, we have the student profile section. This is where you can access a complete student overview. Simply enter the student's roll number and click Fetch Data. You will then see a detailed profile, including their personal information, semester grades, GPA, as well as their co-curricular and extracurricular activities. This provides a holistic view of each student's academic and extracurricular journey. I will be showing the functionality and the working of the admin dashboard in a while. Now that we have seen the admin dashboard, let us look into the student dashboard. So this is the student dashboard. There are 4 components here. The first component is to view our semester marks details. So for that, the student has to enter the roll number and click on search, and the details will be visible. And similarly, to view the academic profile, the student must enter their roll number and click on fetch data, and their data will be shown. The third component is co-curricular activities, where the student will be entering all these details like name, roll number, batch, activity name, the group name, the dates, the competition level, and if the prizes were won, if any, and the host details. After clicking on submit, if the student enters their roll number again and clicks on search, the details will be displayed below. The extracurricular activities component also functions in the same format as the before component. The student is also prompted to enter their roll number and profile links of some coding platforms and upload their image and click on submit. To view the semester marks details, the roll number will be entered, and when search button is clicked, all the details will be displayed. Here again, to fetch the academic profile details, the roll number has to be entered, and after clicking fetch data, the details of the student will be displayed here. Up to extracurricular activities, the student profile, the semester marks, grades, GPA, co-curricular activities, and extracurricular activities will be displayed. As I said earlier, the third component is specifically used to submit the co-curricular activity details for a student and to view the same. So after entering the details above here successfully, the roll number can be typed and the co-curricular activity details will be fetched. The roll number, student name, batch details along with the activity details will be fetched. Similarly, in extracurricular activities, after typing the roll number and clicking on search, the details will be displayed like this. Now let us look into how the admin dashboard works after submitting the data and it is displayed. Now in the second component, the student details can be viewed. Clicking on all student profile, details of students from all the batches will be displayed here, and we can filter here by the batch and the details will be changing accordingly. This is the third component, add student marks, and here also we are choosing a file and opening it and clicking on upload. It will get uploaded successfully, and we go to view academics profile and search for the students marks by entering their roll number, and after clicking on search we get their details successfully. The next component is co-curricular activities. We can submit the details by clicking on submit, and then after clicking on all student activity, here we can search by batch. But before that, the details entered up to now, that is the details entered into the backend up to now, will be displayed first. That is the entire co-curricular data. And here if we search by batch, we get only for that particular batch. See, this is for the 2024 batch. If we want to fetch the details of a single student, we will click on the button single student activity and we'll enter the roll number and click on search. The details of that particular student will be fetched. Similarly, the extracurricular activities component will also work with all student activity featuring batch filter and the search button and the details display. And if we want the details of a single student, again we click on the single student activity button, enter the roll number and click on search, which will fetch the details accordingly. The last component, student profile, we enter the roll number of the student and all the details regarding the student will be fetched. The profile details, the semester marks, the co-curricular activities and the extracurricular activities. Ultimately, this project helps to streamline the student profile management. Thank you.